Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In today's video, I will show you how to maintain the screws for the EPS shape molding machine. The screws on the left and right side of the guide pillow need to be checked from time to time every 3 months to ensure that they are locked in place. The screws below the guide pillow also need to be checked monthly for tightness. The screws on the quick mold change frame may lose over a long period of time. They need to be tightened with a large spender once every 3 months. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next video.